Managing clash detection can be time-consuming. Let's talk about how to make it smarter and faster. Managing clash detection can eat up hours, lead to redundant work, and even delay your project. Are you struggling with resolved or reported clashes, trying to avoid redundant reporting and prevent reporting duplicate clashes? What if there was a smarter way to handle it all? Meet SmartIssues, your best friend for clash management. It automatically tracks the objects they belong to, when they're reported, and whether they've been resolved. And the best part is there's no need to rerun clash detection. So what are the key benefits? Instant visual feedback. See the clash status at a glance with color-coded feedback in BIMcollab Zoom. Automatic updates. Upload new model versions, and SmartIssues automatically update, resolve, and close clashes, saving you valuable time. No more duplicate reporting. BIMcollab Zoom highlights the clashes that have already been reported, keeping you focused and efficient. And importantly, track your progress effortlessly. Monitor everything you need directly in the cloud with the Nexus integration. Streamline your clash management, boost efficiency within teams, ensure high-quality models with predictable project outcomes. Are you intrigued? I know I was. Dive into SmartIssues today. Below, you will find some links to give you everything you need to get started.